This is a simple cleaning hack on how to remove dog hair, cat hair, or any other pet hair from pet bed or couch. Now that's a lot of hair, guys. So I'm going to show you how to take care of that using disposable or non-disposable gloves and a vacuum to pick up any leftover hair. So here's what you want to do. Start removing the pet hair from top to bottom. Look at that, guys. The hair is cleaning up well. The glove is picking up a lot of the hair. This hack works, y'all, and this is so simple.